West Capital. Our food sponsor is Siddhi Diamonds, co-sponsor Travelers, Sri Sabha Finexpert, and our door trophy sponsor Sri Maheshwari Car Mall. The match is between SIS Security Private Limited Pinnacle versus Triveni Gems Valor. The first ball. Sanket, the wicketkeeper, quite athletic and proactive there. Dot ball. Hits it hard, but there's a player, and that is a Gadla wala wicket. Batsman ko sula dala. What a wicket. An early blow. For Team Valor. Can they come back from this wicket? Will really boost that confidence of the bowler and the team. Once again, it's a dot ball. Good bowling there. A direct throw, and the finger goes up. What a throw! What a throw! A direct hit at the wicketkeeper's stumps, and the player departs. 2 wickets in the very first over. What a throw! Taruna's the new batter for Team Valor. This is turning out to be an interesting match. Right now going in the direction of Team Pinnacle. One more ball to go. And with that, over number 1 comes to an end. At the end of the first over, the score is 0 runs at the loss of 2 wickets. What an over. A maiden over with 2 wickets. 2 important Gadla wala wickets. एक ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 0 रन्स 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर. अंपायर runner isn't allowed. Dead ball signaled by the umpire. This is over number 2. Quite an interesting bowling action there by Advait. Got a run out in the first over, and this is just the second over. It's in the air, one bounced into the fielder's hand. Really interesting bowling action by Advait there. Looks like some sorcery just before he bowls. No ball signaled by the umpires, which means it's a Lone Bazaar ka extra run. Mil ke banaye cricket fun. No ball signaled by the umpire, which means the next delivery will be a free hit delivery. Another Lone Bazaar ka extra run. It's high up in the air. Good shot there. He tries to take that run. Really not happy with that. She wanted to take that run. That will be a Gadla wala wicket. The player departs. Should be communicating better there. Rakesh is the new batsman. What a ball there. It's turning out to be a rocky start. Let's see if Rocky can help them get back. At the end of 2 overs, the score is 3 runs at the loss of 3 wickets. 3 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 3 रन. We'll take a moment. It's 5 runs. Apologies. 5 runs. We've rectified it. After 1 over, after 2 overs, score is 5 runs. An interesting field setup there. No ball signaled by the umpire. Lone Bazaar ka extra run. Next delivery will be a free hit delivery. Once again, it's a dot ball. They're showing their bowling prowess there. Pinnacle. White ball signaled by the umpire. Lone Bazaar ka extra run. Once again, another extra powered by Lone Bazaar. Tries to go big, hits it hard. They're slightly limping there. Gets in the crease. They rotate the strike. Now it's Rakesh Rocky back on strike. One bounce into the fielder's hand. Fielder did. They've cleared it out and we're good to go. One more delivery to go for the over to come to an end. Really good bowling there. Tight. Another dot ball. And with that, over number 3 comes to an end. At the end of 3 overs, the score is 9 runs at the loss of 3 wickets. 3 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 9 रन 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर. Mana's the new bowler. She'll be bowling the 4th over for her team. White ball signaled by the umpire. Lone Bazaar ka extra run. The extras are giving away runs. Leaking a few runs for them, but otherwise quite tight. And it hits the stumps. What a wicket. A Gadla wala wicket. Ashish departs. We see the captain entering now. Can he turn it around for his team after that Gadla wala wicket? Can he bring his team back? Resurrect his team. Jodh, the captain, is on strike now. Can he turn it around? Goes big. It could have been a catch there. But it was hit hard. Really good bowling there. Takes a wicket of the last delivery and is followed by a dot ball. She takes her time. I think she needs to bowl slightly quicker. She takes her time. Lone Bazaar ka extra run, wide signal by the umpire. What a ball there. They'll get a single, a really good over from Mana. It's high up in the air, and that is a cracking shot. That is a mind flick Soliday Maxim. आपके सपनों को दे उड़ान. What a shot. You need more of these. Once again he goes big. I think it hits the net, which means it's a Sanjeev Designer Studio का stylish चौका. बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट वहां पर राकेश के हाथों. Is this the turning point of the game? Tries to go big once again. They clear it off, and that is a mind flick Soliday Maximum. A really good comeback from Team Valor. And after 4 overs, the score is 28 runs at the loss of 4 wickets. 4 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 28, 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर. Sameer is back in action to bowl the second over, and he'll bowl to the captain, Jodh. There was an appeal there, but the game will continue. That was the foot. They tried. White ball signaled by the umpire. Lone Bazaar का extra run मिलके बनाए cricket fun. Rocky on strike now. The score is 30 now at the loss of 4 wickets. A good shot there. Will it beat the fielder? No, it will not. That is a Sanjeev Designer Studio का stylish चौका. बहुत ही बढ़िया shot वहाँ पर. They are coming back into the game. It was a slow start. Obstacles at the start of the game, but they are coming back. Jodh, the captain. Defends it really well there, but it will be a dot delivery. At the end of 5 overs, the score is 35 runs at the loss of 4 wickets. 5 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 35, 4 विकेट के नुकसान पर. Clears the boundary line. Sanjeev Designer Studio ka stylish chauka. Slowly and steadily they're coming back. Super resilient. Even after losing those early wickets, they are coming back. Middle order batsmen showing their prowess as well. Quite strong with the bat. Once again he lifts it, but this time will find a fielder at the boundary line. That is a Gadla wala wicket. Batsman ko sula dala. Rocky departs. At 5.2 overs, the score is 39 runs at the loss of 5 wickets. They have wickets in hand. Let's see how they utilize them. This is the new batter. Neil Doshi giving a boundary but then taking a wicket. Extremely quick there. A really good shot there to get that run in. Opens up his kitty there. 1 run for him. Will bring back Jodh on strike to face the final delivery of this over. Catch attempt वहाँ पर. And will that over number 6 comes to an end. 6 ओवर की समाप्ति. स्कोर है 40 रन 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर. At the end of 6 overs, the score is 40 runs at the loss of 5 wickets. It's high up in the air. One bounce into the fielder's hand. Good running between the wickets will bring back the captain on strike. These are the final overs, final 2 overs. Final 2 overs of the game. If we see big boundaries, we'll see a decent target being put up. Score right now is 41. The ball turns really well there. The bowler will be happy. He's a good spinner. This is the 7th over. Really good bowling there. A mistimed throw, hit it. Batter comfortably in, will bring back. Misses the ball completely there, Mangesh. A really good bowler there and quite economical over this. Just 2 runs and 1 more ball. Tried to hit it hard, but the bowler really played well with the length of the ball. And with that, over number 7 comes to an end. At the end of 7 overs, the score is 42 runs at the loss of 5 wickets. 7 ओवर की समाप्ति. स्कोर है 42. आखिरी ओवर इस पहले इनिंग्स की. The match is between Team Valor and Pinnacle. अद्वैत बहुत ही बढ़िया फील्डर है वहां पर. He's the Ravindra Jadeja of his team. Got an early run out as well. Jyot will keep the strike for the final 4 deliveries as well. Discussing something here. The bats have been changed. Let's change the final 4 deliveries, the fate of the match as well. Advait has been really good. No ball crosses him. He'll have to find a different fielder. The bat is broken. Bat will have to be changed for the last 2 deliveries of this over. This is the final over. We've seen everything. We've seen the confidence going down. We've also seen the bats being broken. It beat a couple of fielders, but not out is the umpire's call. Really good running between the wickets. They get 2 of that delivery. And for the final delivery, before the final delivery, the score is 44 runs at the loss of 5 wickets. आखिरी गेंद इस ओवर के लिए. We see a maximum there. Yes, we will. A Mindflix Holidays maximum. And with that 6, they've crossed the 50-run mark. The target will be 51 for Team Pinnacle. Valor tried everything they could to put up a decent target. They'll be defending a target of 51 runs.
Heart blockages are life-threatening. Cancer is dreadful. Varicose veins causes muscle cramps, lead to knee pain. तो बड़ी-बड़ी सर्जरी और महंगी दवाइयों के साइड इफेक्ट से बचने के लिए आयुर्वेद अपनाइए. Ancient secret of leech therapy. Drugless, painless, cutless and economical. Myself, Dr. Prashant Rathod, International Leech Therapy Expert. स्वास्थ्य रक्षणाय समर्पित है. Heart blockages are life-threatening. Cancer is dreadful. Varicose veins causes muscle cramps, lead to knee pain. तो बड़ी-बड़ी सर्जरी और महंगी दवाइयों के साइड इफेक्ट से बचने के लिए आयुर्वेद अपनाइए. Ancient secret of leech therapy. Drugless, painless, cutless and economical. Myself, Dr. Prashant Rathod, International Leech Therapy Expert. स्वास्थ्य रक्षणाय समर्पित है.
Team Valor. We'll take a moment. Jyot setting up his field. Umpire, we're all good to go. The scorer is ready and we're all set for the second innings of the match. Both the teams, after a quick discussion, let's see where this match goes. First ball, and it'll be a dot ball to start the innings. दूसरी गेंद, जो कनेक्शन वो चाहते थे वो मिला नहीं उन्हें. A throw at the keeper's end. The fielding needs to be tight if they want to win this match or have a chance of winning this match. Defending a target of 51. Once again, it's a good ball. Will result in a dead ball. Didn't get the connection. एक अच्छा शॉट वहां पर, एक अच्छा सिंगल मिलेगा वहां पर उन्हें. If you're not getting those boundaries, at least get those singles in. Rotate strike. बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट वहां पर, नेट पर लगेगा. Run out का प्रयास, but the batsman is comfortably in. Saad returns on strike. Tries to go big, hits the side nets. I think it'll be fielded by Rocky there at the boundary line. And with that, the first over, one more ball to go. What? Umpire will take a moment. Extend. Done. We'll take just a couple more seconds. And with the done. With that, we're done for the first over. The score is 4 runs. Tries to go big. It sounded just about right, but hits the up nets. साद आ जाएंगे फिर से स्ट्राइक पर. रॉकी है बॉलर. अच्छी बल्लेबाजी के बाद, and I think that's a good shot there, but it will turn out to be a boundary, which means it is a Sanjeev Designer Studio का stylish chauka. Is it the sun? You don't know, but it's 4 runs in the end. White ball signaled by the umpire. Lone Bazaar ka extra run. He's hit it hard. And guess what? That is a Mindflix Holidays maximum. What a shot by Saad there. बड़ी सादगी के साथ. Once again, he goes hard, but this time it hits the side nets. We'll get a single there. One more delivery. This time it's Sameer who tries to go big. No ball signaled by the umpire, which means it's a Lone Bazaar ka extra run. और इसी के साथ इन्हें मिलेगा एक extra ball, which is a free hit delivery. This is turning out to be an expensive over there. The score is now 20 runs. And with that, over number 2 comes to an end. At the end of 2 overs, the score is 20 runs. No wickets have been lost. A good start to there. "31 runs required in 36 deliveries. The score is 20 runs. We've added a single run as well. The score is 20. The score is 20. It's high up in the air. There will be a fielder. The captain does really well at the boundary line. Saves 3 crucial runs for his team there. And this is a tight match. Every run counts. And that 6 will ease down pressure and start mounting pressure for Team Valor. What a shot there. That is a mind flex. Holidays maximum. They आपके सपनों को उड़ान, just like the flight above us. A really good shot there. Once again, it's a mind flick. Holidays maximum. It's raining boundaries for them. It's just January. 16 required of 31 deliveries now. One more single and over number 3 comes to an end. At the end of 3 overs, the score is 36 runs. No wickets have been lost. 3 ओवर की समाप्ति पर स्कोर है 36 बिना किसी विकेट के नुकसान पर. Really comfortable position. Sameer and Saad, they've led the team really well in the second innings of the match. He's hit it hard. And that is a mind flick. Holiday maximum. Jodh couldn't do much there. He timed it so well. Incredible shot there by Saad. Calm and composed. And once again, it's the same fate. It's 6 runs. The score has gone to 48 runs after 3.2 overs, which means they only need 3 runs to win this match. जीत से 3 रन दूर यहाँ पर टीम पिनकल. Dugout बहुत ही excited. They've prepared slogans as well. And that's an MS Dhoni finish. A crazy shot to finish it off in style. Team Pinnacle have won it against Team Valor. What an incredible match. And in the end, the better team wins.
Heart blockages are life-threatening. Cancer is dreadful. Varicose